Good morning. Welcome to Sunset Studios. Today we are going to do a rock similar to this, except we are going to just do one of the birds with the Easter bunny ears. Okay, so I'm going to take this kind of crazy shaped rock and take advantage of the weird shape to put his Easter bunny ears in. Okay, so I'm going to start. I already drew it, but I'm going to show you anyway. I like to start with the eyes because they're big, and that gives me a sense of where everything else will go. Next, I do the top of his head. It's just a curved line. And then I do the rest of the body, which is basically a circle, part of a circle. And then his legs are just straight, you know, that sort of a little bit of a triangle at the bottom. Sorry. Okay. Same with this side. And then we go for the nice big bunny ear, and then the other bunny ear that's kind of flopped over. There. Okay. So now I am going to get the paint ready, and we will start. Okay, the first thing I'm going to start with are the eyes, and I'm going to use a pale gray. I actually mixed my pale gray with white just to get a little bit lighter gray. And basically I'm just going to paint the whole eye with this color, and then I am going to add a little more white over it because it's, you know, going to look too dark to be all gray. All right, so while my brush is still wet, I'm going to add a little more white, especially in the center. So the darker color can be along the outer edge. That's fine. And okay, just a tiny bit more white here. There. Okay, I like that. It's supposed to give it a more three-dimensional look. That's the idea. Okay, the next color is going to be the yellowish orange of the body. So I'm going to start with his head and just get that color in there. Okay. And then I just do the rest of the body, the same color. I'm going to go back over it with possibly just a bright yellow, but I'm going to wait and see how it looks when it's dry. Or actually probably just when I'm done with this, because it is nice to put another color on while the paint is still wet. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with just, oh, I did pour it, just my yellow, and I'm going to do, it's not coming out. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go a little lighter on the bottom half. And now I'm just blending it. And guess what? I am going to go back to that light orange. I'm going to go on top just to give it a little. Maybe I will even use the orange. I think it's called pumpkin orange, and just make it a little bit darker above. Just maybe a drop more. Okay, and then I'm I'm going to do that above the eyes too. There. Okay. So I feel like that's good for now. And my next step is I'm going to take the dark pink and I'm going to do the ears. Okay. I think this design will bring a smile to lots of people. It's just fun. And here's the other ear. Okay, maybe I need a tiny bit more right, connecting it to the head. There. Okay, and now I am just going to get my orange again, just the orange, and I'm going to do his beak. And I will go back and do second coats on everything. And of course I am going to outline him as well, so that will make everything pop. Okay, I'm going to do my second coats now. Okay, the second coats are done. Now I'm going to go in with my pale pink, and I'm just going to do the center of his ear. And of course on the other side. Okay, that's good. And then my next step is outlining. So I'm going to take my pink pen and hoping this is not too thick, but we will try. And I'm going to go right around the ears. To the eyes. And I think instead of just doing a straight line, I'm going to do these little dash lines to show the fur. And then I'm going to make his eyes looking over this way, because I just think that looks cute. And then his beak, and finish this over there. And that is basically it. If I wanted to, I could do a few little dots in the ears just for fun. But that is basically our bird with bunny ears. Hope you enjoyed the video and that you'll give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care.